Hi guys, this is Preemster14 and today's vlog is especially for the Porsche lovers because today we are at the Icons of Porsche event in Dubai and this is our annual gathering of all the iconic Porsches around, and we have about 1000 to 1500 Porsches today, and the event is going to start in about half an hour and all the cars are lining up as you can see behind me. So let's check out the cars that are coming in. Guys, we are finally inside the event and you can see the beautiful view of cars behind me. We have over 1500 cars with about 50,000 people over here, guys. So it's like one of the largest icons of Porsche event ever in the history, and this is actually a very huge event because this is the 75th year celebration of Porsche. And over here, wow, check this out, what we have over here. We have the 4 generations of the best Porsches ever. I mean the hypercar Porsche. So we have the first one ever, that was the Porsche 959 over there, followed by the very iconic Porsche Carrera GT. In front of it we have the 918 Spider right there, and then in front of it is the newly launched, the brand new Porsche Mission X. Check this out, guys. It looks so futuristic. It's unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Over here, one of one. This is right now a concept car, but it looks unreal, guys. Just check this out. You have the massive wheels. It's like such a futuristic car. Check out the interiors of this beautiful Mission X. Hi guys, so we joined with Mr. JWW. It's like a big fan of you, sir.
Look who I just bumped into. If you're not already subscribed to this guy's channel, be sure to, because he's kicking out some amazing content. And I think you're inspiring lots of people, right?
Thank you so much,
Which is great.
I've been
So,
inspired.
hey, listen, we all just love cars, right?
That's it.
So I thank you for saying hi. I really appreciate it. We're down here at the Icons of Porsche.
Yep.
This is the 3rd year. They're celebrating 75 years of the Porsche brand, 60 years of the 911. And we're up
Crazy.
on stage just talking about cool cars and cool people.
That's crazy.
So it'll be good fun, man.
Thank you so
Listen,
much.
have a good time. Thanks for saying hi. Take care.
So guys, that was just amazing. That was like a dream come true. I finally met my favorite YouTuber and my inspiration to start this YouTube channel, Mr. JWW. So let's get back to all the Porsches that we have over here. We have a couple of GT3s and GTSs over here, as you can see. This beautiful GT3 Touring. And is it a manual? Well, you can't see inside, but yes guys, it is a manual. It's a stick. That's it. What other cars do we have here? Oh, we have a Speedster. That's crazy. And we have the 911 Sports Classic, and it has a number plate 79 and has the same livery on the side as well. That's crazy, guys. Behind us we have a pair of CGTs and another pair of 918 Spiders, and this is in a beautiful shade called Gazelle Metallic, as you can see over here. What a beautiful shade over here. You can see the body painted alloys over here with the yellow calipers. Crazy. And besides that we have the silver metallic CGT. Over here we have a 918 Spider and another 918 Spider over here in shade of white. Now we are heading to the PTS stall where all the unique color Porsche 911s are there. So let's check out some crazy unique spec cars. We have a gigantic 911 balloon over there with the beautiful background of the Burj Khalifa. Over here we have a 911 Turbo, but this is not a regular 911 Turbo because it's got some really expensive add-ons from the Porsche exclusive manufacturer department. And front, you can see radar system in the front. I've never seen that on a Turbo. Secondly is the interior inside. The seats are just beautiful. I mean, just look at the fabric inside, inspired from the Sport Classic. And also the alloys are very different. Check this out, guys. It's crazy. This has to be probably the price of a standard 911 GT3 RS for sure. And over here we have the PTS stall. So all these 911s are in a custom shade, or you can say a very rare and an expensive shade. I don't know what the name of the shade is, but it looks pretty good, guys. Comment down below your thoughts on this spec. All 964s. Crazy. Over here we have the Turbo S exclusive, a very limited run. It's like one of a very good shades called the Bahama Orange or the Bahama Yellow, I'm not sure. Oh, this is the GT3 Touring manual. Again, this has to be a PTS shade. This is also PTS shade, right? Nice. Guys, check this out. This is crazy. We have another Sport Classic over there. So guys, this is it for today. This was a little video for all the Porsche fans out there, and I really enjoyed this event. I wish I could stay here for long, and I definitely didn't get to check out all the cars over here. But anyways, so now I'm heading to the F1 Abu Dhabi Yas Marina circuit, so quite excited for that. So stay tuned for that vlog coming out next. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Goodbye.